Guys, today we are opening 12 Series 5 blind bags, and that is completely wrong because it clearly says 12. I have 5. Forget it. Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to another Playmo AF video. We are going to be doing an unbagging today, but I first wanted to show you that we got Scotty from the Playmobil Star Trek line. I walked out the door to go to work, and there was an envelope with my name on it sitting right at my front doorstep. And so I took him to work and opened up Scotty. And so, yeah, that's really cool. But today I have 5 Series 12 blind bags. So I'm really happy to open them up for you today. I did a little gropage on this one before I started filming the video, and I'm pretty positive I got the baseball player, which would be cool, just because it's something different. I was kind of hoping it was the blue alien here, just because the top of his helmet is kind of smooth, but there's a little bit of bump on the sides there. This one does not have any bumps except for the lip, and then the parts that cover up his ears to protect him. So let's go ahead and check this one out, see what we got. Yep. Ah, yes. Oh, yeah. Cool. He's a lot cooler in person after you open him up here. Let's go ahead and put him together. Here's our baseball player. Really nice figure. I was afraid I'd find him kind of boring, but no, I'm quite the opposite. Here's one of his accessories. As you would assume, he comes with a baseball bat. It's kind of cool the way they made it. It looks like it has some sort of, like, not quite wood grain, but it has like a, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but it does look like it's made of wood, but it is clearly not. There is a little bit of pliability there. So there you go. And then his other accessory, it's actually 2 things, but they go together. You got the pitcher's, the glove, and then the ball. And the ball does come out, but it looks like it anchors into the cup of the glove here, and that's a really nice touch. What I also like about this is that the handle that your klicky grabs onto is angled, so he's not holding it straight, he's holding it at an angle, just like that. So it's like he's catching the ball if it were rolling across the field there. And that's a pretty nice touch there. Good job, Playmobil. Okay, here's bag number 2. I'm not 100% sure of it. I would either say it could be the Native American, or the ninja. Cool. Yeah, cool. Actually, this is the ninja. I think that was L. Yeah, it's just that little pamphlet that comes with every figure. There's a lot of stuff here. It almost looks like there's duplicates of things. I'm not 100% sure. These little pockets, or whatever they are, that hold the knives and swords and things like that. There's 3 of them here. I'm noticing something strange about this figure, but I'm not 100% sure yet. Let's check it out. This seems to be all the pieces. There's a lot of stuff though. That is really nice. I'm not gonna lie. My first ninja figure. Whoa. Yeah, I am more accustomed to these little pocket things, holsters, whatever they are. Once you fasten them, I'm used to them kind of staying stationary. They move a lot, and I don't know if that's necessarily a good thing. They seem very weak. very loose. Yeah, see, like this one just fell off, and I know this is the other thing that's weird about them. They've got a big hole in the top and a small hole in the bottom. So when you fasten it by putting it in, putting the peg through the big hole, you're supposed to lift it up, which is silly. You should be able to. The big hole should be on the bottom, and you should lift it, or rather push it down to lock in place. But that's not necessarily what's going on here. Overall, this is a really nice figure, but it's not my favorite just because these pieces are loose and they don't hold the weapons in very well. So that obviously means you could easily lose them. I don't know. I do like it. This is more of a display figure than it is a play figure. But I mean, it's a great design and everything. But I don't know. But I like it. I just don't want to lose my pieces here. Okay, figure number 3. I just hope I don't have a fireman. Wait a minute. I think this is another baseball player. I feel like I'm touching the bat right now. Yep. Well, I did say earlier in the video that I wanted a double of this. Oh, I got 2 tops though. That's cool. Always extra pieces are a good thing. So with extra figures like duplicates, what I'll do if I want to keep them, what I'll do is that I'll change the headpiece, give them a different headpiece for a different look, or of course a different hairpiece. For this one here, we're going to just keep everything as is, so I can just get the video made here. Okay, number 4. That's an arm. I don't know. That's a head. Yeah, it's a head. This one doesn't seem to have a lot of pieces to it. So, I don't know. What is this? I think it almost feels like this could be another ninja. Oh, goody. Yeah, I got another ninja. I like this one better just because the pieces are a little bit more stable. But I still don't like that you can still lose the weapons. From a collector's standpoint, you want it to be secure. 5th and final bag. I do not know who this could be. However, I just felt a very crucial piece. And it feels like it's a cape. And there are possibly 2 characters in here that could wear a cape. There's the Roman and there's the wizard. Yeah, it's the Roman. Cool. You never have too many Romans, and honestly, there's not a whole lot I have, so this is a big deal. Despite getting a couple of doubles, I think this was a really good set of 5 figures to get. And guys, that's going to conclude our video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys have any of the Series 12 figures, which one was your favorite, and I should be ordering another batch of these sometime, and we'll do another unbagging video for you guys. Please subscribe if you haven't, like the video, and follow us on Instagram. We're playmo.af on Instagram, or you can just look up playmoaf. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time, right here on Playmo AF. Thanks. Bye.